Hello, kedu kunu mere? Aha m bụ Maazị Sunday. Last week we started learning how to conjugate verbs and make sentences with them in Igbo. We looked at the verb to go and the verb to read. Today we're going to be looking at two other verbs. Before we look at them, let's take a look at this verb, icho. Icho means to want. To want. Actually, this is not an action verb, an action word per se, but we use it to help other verbs while making some sentences in Igbo. So it's also good we learn it before we delve deeper into conjugation of other verbs. So choro means wants. Choro also means wanted. Nacho, wants. It's in simple present tense. Gacho will want. Achago has wanted. Agayacho will not want. Achagi did not want or do not want. Achabe has not wanted. Okay. You can use it to make sentences actually. Ha chọrọ mmiri, they want water. Anyị achọghị ya, we don't want it. Ọ chọrọ ije akwụkwọ, she wants to go to school. Okay? So always remember that to make sentences, all you need is a subject, the verb, and the subject. And the subject could be a pronoun or a noun. Okay, so let's look at the verb IKUZI. IKUZI means to teach. Kuzie, teach. Kuziri, taught. Nakuzi is teaching. Gakuzi will teach. Akuzigo has taught. Akuzigi did not teach. Anagi akuzi is not teaching. Agari akuzi will not teach. Akuzibegi has not taught. Now, there are things you can teach, because you can teach ihe ọbụla, anything. You can teach akwụkwọ, book. You can teach ihe, something. You can teach abo, song. Now, you can teach anything that has action. In other words, every verb can be used. Every verb, depending on what you want to say. Kuzere ya ego akwụkwọ, teach him to read. See that? Teach him to read. Teach him to read. So let's go. Ọ na-akụziri m ihe. So you can see the all there is the subject, which is he. Na-akụziri is teaching. Then me is the object pronoun. And then ihe, something. That's what you're teaching the person. Ọ na-akụziri m ihe. He's teaching me something. Ngaghị akụzi ihe ọbụla. I will not teach anything. You see, means I as a subject. Gaya akụzi will not teach. See that? Will not teach. Ihe ọbụla means anything. Ha ga-akụziri unu abụ. They will teach you a song. Kụziere ya ịga ije. Teach how to walk. Ifeọma anaghị akụzi asụsụ bekee. Ifeọma is not teaching English language. So you practice this. Choose your own subject. Use any of the conjugated forms of the verb to teach, and choose anything that you can teach or you want to be taught, and make your own sentences. That's how to learn Igbo. Practice, practice, and practice. Now the next one is igote or izụta. It means to buy. Igote or izụta, to buy. Gote or zụta, buy. Gotere or zụtara, bought. Negote or nazụta is buying. Gegote or gazụta. There's a mistake there. It's supposed to be gazụta, will buy. Egotego or azụtago has bought. Egotegi or azụtagi did not buy. Anaghị egote or anaghị azụta is not buying. Agaghị egote or agaghị azụta will not buy. Egotebeghị or azotabeghị has not bought. Now, things you can buy ihe niile, everything. You can buy ihe something. You can buy ihe obula, anything. So you can buy anything that has a name, objects, animals, name it. You can buy anything. I can list the names of everything here. Okay, so let's make sentences now. Ha chọrọ ịzụta mango. Remember the rule again, subject, verb, and object. So you see it playing out here. Ha is they. Now look at that chọrọ. I told you that we use it to help other verbs when we're making sentences. So see, chọrọ ịzụta, want to buy. Ha chọrọ ịzụta mango. They want to buy mangoes. Adora zụtara nkata. Adora bought baskets. Ọ gaghị egota ya. He will not buy it. See that? Akachi egoteghị akwụkwọ ahụ. Akachi did not buy that book. Chima egotebeghị ụlọ. Chima has not bought a house. So I'd like you to actually try make at least 5 sentences with any of the conjugations on your own. And when you make them, don't stop there. Speak. Use them. Use them. Okay? Thank you for today. I'm sure you enjoyed the class. Let me see it in the comments. Dalono.